So I'm going to be showing you guys a really cool trick for you can create custom app icons on the iPhone 15 series using the Shortcuts app. Okay, now I'm going to run through 3 different examples for you guys because it usually takes around 3 tries to get this down. But when you have the Shortcuts app open, you want to click on the plus icon in the top right-hand corner and then tap Add Action. Next, you want to type Open App, and then you need to choose the app you want to use. Now, for this first example, I'm going to go with Diablo Immortal because I love this game. And then when you choose your app, just click Done. All right, then in the top with the arrow pointing down, click Add to Home Screen. Now, these next couple steps are very important. So this is where you're going to change the app name to Diablo or whatever you're using. And then you need a photo to add for the app, and then you just want to click Add. Now, you can find some great images just going through Google Images for whatever apps you're looking to, change the icon for. Okay, then when we go back and you can see it's been added, and let's open it, and boom. All right, it's that easy, guys. Now, I said I'm going to do a couple more examples for you guys, so let's go through this once again. Open the Shortcuts app, hit the plus icon in the top right-hand corner, choose Open App, choose the app, and then add it to the home screen, name it, and then click Done. Okay, one more time. Okay, hit the plus icon, choose Open App, choose the app, then add it to the home screen, name it, and click Done. So like I said, this is very addictive. You can do this for so many different apps and just make your iPhone 14 just look super cool. Anyways, hope you guys enjoy this. Definitely try it out because it's awesome. Also, if you would like to get on our iOS newsletter, we send out 1 email a week. We'll have a link in the description. As always, thanks for watching it. We'll see y'all in the next video.